Hey, Jimmy with Cuff and Stuff. Man, we got another good one for you. Today, we're doing a family request. It's an odd time of year for me kind of to be doing this, but that's what they wanted, so that's what we're gonna do. Today, we're gonna do a stir fry with chicken thighs and veggies and the whole works. And we're gonna do it on the Blackstone. So, hang tight. All right, well, let's get this cranked off. All right, first we're gonna go down with some avocado oil. This is pretty high temp stuff, and we've got this Blackstone blazing hot, which is the general idea. We want to get him good and hot. All right, let's start with our chicken. This is almost 4 pounds, a little better than 3. Don't you love that sizzle? All right, as you see, as of yet, I haven't seasoned the chicken at all, but I'm gonna. All right, what are we using? This is a little bit of Texas Cajun. We're just gonna take and sprinkle Uncle Steve's goodness all over this chicken. All right, let's push all this chicken over here. It's going to continue to cook. Next, put in our veggies. All right, I've got some zucchini spirals, some peppers and onions, going down. That zucchini was still a little bit frozen, but boy, it didn't last long. Not on this hot thing. Starting to get some color on our chicken. All right, nice thing about stir fry is you can use anything you want to in it. Chicken, beef, pork, whatever. Whatever you got. Go to the vegetable aisle. You can cheat like I did. Just go down and pick your bags of frozen vegetables up, chunk them in. Oh my goodness. When you get through with this, it's real good. That's for sure. All right. Got some noodles. Yeah, they were frozen too. They were. Let's put them in. They're gonna thaw out. We're gonna mix it into the mix. All right. We've got some decent color on our chicken. It's about done. Let's bring it over and mix all this together. We're gonna mix all these flavors into one big giant pile. All right, last step. Always make this last. I'm adding teriyaki sauce to this. Always, always, always. Shake it up good and do it last. Teriyaki's got sugar in it and it will caramelize quick. And you don't want burned teriyaki to ruin your stir fry. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? My goodness, my goodness. All right. Well, let's get us a pan here. All right, there you go. We're gonna let it cool down. We're going over to the table and I'll bring you right back. All right, well here it is. Let's see if we can get a bite of peppers, onions, chicken. Oh my goodness. This one's for you. This is so good. Don't tell them. I'm glad I came up with this idea. This is good. Listen, the peppers, the onions, the Uncle Steve shake, the teriyaki sauce, all of that blended in together. When you do stir fry like this, make it your own, okay? Whatever you want to throw in it. Hey, thanks for sticking around, seeing how it turned out. I appreciate you watching my video. If you haven't already, how about hit the circle on this side, subscribe. I'll have another video right over here just for you. How about hit that thumbs up, give me a like, hype the video, something new. I'd appreciate it. Until next time, hang tight and be good to one another. Hang tight.